everyone. Today we are going to discuss about case study on TCP over wireless networks. Wireless networks are an emerging technology of this decade and have become very popular in last few years. Recent developments in this field demonstrate that multiple computers with wireless communication links will form an integral part of the future networks. This technology provides the user with a wireless equipment, unlimited access to information and services like video telephony, email, news, talk codes, etc. Future networks will be a combination of high-speed wired networks and wireless links. It is required that this wireless link does not become a bottleneck in the network. The transport layer protocols are designed to perform well for wired networks. Even a single wireless link reduces the throughput considerably. This can be avoided by buffering the packets at the network layer and by intelligent scheduling at the link layer. In theory, we can use existing transport protocols like TCP on wireless host to communicate with the fixed network. This keeps the transport layer transparent to mobility, disconnection and other features of wireless and mobile hosts, but all this at the cost of performance. In this, we are going to discuss some solutions to the problem of degraded performance of standard TCP on wireless networks and on satellite networks. First, we are going to see issues with wireless networks. First one is the very first common error is link error rate and bandwidth, mobility, TCP extensions for wireless networks and wireless networks unaware of TCP at the fixer host. And thus we propose some solutions for wireless networks. First one is ITCP, second one is Berkeley Snoop module, and the third one is MTCP, that is mobile TCP, and the fourth one is delayed duplicate acknowledgements. Okay, for this the wireless should aware of TCP at the fixer host. And thus we are going to propose fast retransmit, mobile TCP and multiple acknowledgements with selective retransmissions. In this, TCP knows discrimination of congestion losses from wireless losses and also distinguish losses by making two connections. So, the accuracy and efficiency of TCP extensions for satellite networks will be increased. So, the asymmetric satellite networks, satellite link with lost hop and hybrid satellite networks, point-to-point satellite networks, efficiency will be increased. And finally, we propose some solutions. First one is slow start and congestion avoidance. Second one is fast retransmit. And third one is large window sizes. Use large window sizes. Fourth one is delayed acknowledgements. And fifth one is selective acknowledgements and TCP for transaction and explicit congestion notification for forward and backward. Currently, TCP assumes that all the losses are due to congestion and does not distinguish between losses due to satellite link and those due to congestion. As the satellite networks have higher bit error rates than terrestrial networks, determining whether a segment was lost due to congestion or wireless link may allow TCP to achieve better performance in high BER environments than currently possible. Adding ECN support to TCP may help in achieving high efficiency. Thank you.